In court 1, players representing Philippines. Jersey number 12, Mark Yan Jackie G. Fiontes, Rebel captain. Number 17, Ron Chitek C. Caballero. Number 4, Lindell B. Ori. Number 6, Datu Ken L. Interino. Number 11, Jerry C. Liquiranario Jr. Team manager, Irene Virginia N. Tanchenko. Coach, Rodolfo C. Iko. Players representing Brunei. This is jersey number 17, Muhammad Afizuddin Jamaluddin, Rebel captain. Number 14, Muhammad Afizuddin Jamaluddin. Number 9, Zaki Hidayat. Number 6, Muhammad Slamet Yaakob. Number 10, Umaydi Ibrahim. Team manager, Hadi Ibrahim Mahmud. Coach, Abu Talib Ahmad. Officials officiating the game in Court 1. Official referee Ahmad Rashdi Abdul Rashid, Malaysia. Assistant official referee Kebri Zainal Abidin, Malaysia. Referee Abdul Ghani Zainal, Malaysia. Assistant referee Ahmad Junaidi Abdul Rahman, Malaysia. Court referee Muhammad Irwan Mamat, Malaysia. Line referee Borhan Ulum, Malaysia. Line referee Erwan Tafsir, Malaysia. Challenge referee Zaruddin Zainal Abidin. Please shake hands. In court 2, players representing Myanmar. Jersey number 5, Din Koko, Rebel captain. Number 7, Chien Wunazar. Number 8, Bintan Tu. Number 4, Tu Ang Hua. Number 9, Dien Chan Bin Mong Cho. Team manager.
Okay, alright. Very good evening to all sepak takraw fan all over the world. This evening we are now once again with me, Mohsin Amdan, your commentator for today. Quarter final for Interregu. This is the third quarter final for today. Myanmar against Indonesia. Myanmar with the senior player of number 5, Zin Koko, together with number 7, Shin Wunazor and Tekong Min Tan Tu. And the substitution is Aung Kiaung Tu and Piao Pai Nien Chan Kin. Manager Myo San Min, the legendary Myo San Min, and coach Aung Chu Min. And then for Indonesia, representing Indonesia, senior player Tekong Abdul Halim Raju. New player from Indonesia, striker Jelki Ladada, number 5, and Hendra Pago, feeder number 8. Substitution Gelvin and Raden Lateka. Indonesia head coach is Hasono Abdul Latif Taha and manager Istia Priani. Both of team now entering the sepak takraw court number 2. Number 1, number 2. Number 1, Number 2. And the referee for today is Dharmalingam Balamurugan from India. Assistant referee Bahtia Junaidi from Malaysia. Court referee Guan Jiang Wei from China. Line referee Abdul Aziz Abdullah and Kamarul Asba Ahmad, both from Malaysia. Chinese referee Azri Alias. So this is a very important match for both teams, which is Myanmar already qualified for semi-final for double event, and tonight they will face Malaysia in semi-final. And if Myanmar once again win against Indonesia, they will si Malaysia siapa lagi kan? But will that be in reality or Indonesia will put their leg on the semi-final? Jeff Gordon say, pecahkan bolanya bang biar meledak. Waduh, kalau meledaknya gimana sih mau main? Berapa banyak bola bisa diperguna pakai. Wah, rumitnya. Wai Man Pio. Let's show the best performance. Yes, let us do on this. Please do share, guys. Padu yang gemuk Indonesia tu. Jangan cakap ni tu. Jangan body shaming Kasih faham dia bang Semes Tanam. Wah. Ya, jadi pastinya yang menonton ni ramai Indonesia dan juga Myanmar. So saya akan mengulas dalam kedua-dua bahasa, bahasa Melayu dan juga in English. Alright. So it is Indonesia who will do the serve first. It is Abdul Halim Raju, senior player of Indonesia. Don't judge a book by its covers, guys. This guy is very talented player. 0-0. First service. Said, I told you. First point for Indonesia coming from the service of Abdul Halim. I'm watching in toilet dan. Wah. Make sure you slow down the volume. Otherwise, other people might be shocked on this. Straight to the net from Myanmar Tekong. Min Tan Tu. Kocong guys. Enggak bisa pecah bolanya, bukan bolanya kaca. Waduh. Bener Pak, bener. Wow, Abdul Halim. It is very far from what we are expected to see. Hendra Pagu, number 8. First ball by Jelki to Hendra. Jelki. Whoa, this new young striker of Indonesia looks promising. Jelki Ladada. If I'm not mistaken, this guy coming from Makassar, if I'm not mistaken. If you have any information on this, please do share with me, so everybody can know them better. Three points for Indonesia, 2 for Myanmar. 2 points for Myanmar coming from the mistakes done by Halim. First ball by Jelki. Halim for Jelki. Jelki. Whoa. What a roll spike from Jelki. Very good. I think that this one will lead to the attention of HTL managers from various clubs in Malaysia. First ball from Zin Koko. First strike from Shane Wunazo. Wayne Man Pio. Hello announcer Mingalarpar. Myanmar introducing language. Easy ball. Jelki. Oh, still in the game. Shane. Another save by Halim, but the reflection of Halim. Yeah, it's almost there, but somehow the ball is out, and it is 4-all. Indonesia 4. Terima kasih Jeff Gordon. Straight to the net by Halim. Unsuccessful service from Indonesia, which is, you can see the reaction of Min Tan Tu. He was excited when the ball failed to get through Myanmar's court. 5 for Myanmar, for Indonesia. Good first ball by Halim. Jelke. Oh, powerful strike by Jelke. Nice second ball from Hendra Pago. And Jelke proved that he can be counted as one of the best striker in Indonesia nowadays. It's not only Rusdi. 5-all. Nice service from Halim. Straight to the leg of Shin. Five for Myanmar, 6 Indonesia. Attempt on drop service by Min Tan Tu. But it is unsuccessful. Few inches to go. Seven for Indonesia. 2 points ahead. Another successful service by Halim. Halim reminds me for ex-Malaysia player Norman Nizam. But judging from the look, Halim is most likely like Malaysian feeder Syafiq Rahman. I might wonder whether sepak takraw is very popular in Myanmar. Can anybody from Myanmar respond on this? Is sepak takraw popular in Myanmar? Can anyone respond? And if it is popular, how popular it is? Is every single evening people play sepak takraw all over Myanmar? Or it just a very specific area what Philippines did? What is my prediction? I would say this one will be a tough fight for both. Tie break is a must. The winning team definitely those who are first reach 17. So that was my prediction, right? Very popular in Myanmar. We playing for money. I see. So a lot of betting there in Myanmar. Alright, 5 for Myanmar, 8 for Indonesia. Oh, nice one, but still in the no. Hendra Pago turn to be the victim of Min Tan Tu. Very powerful service by Min Tan Tu. We play every single day. I see. It is the second popular sport in Myanmar. First is football. Okay. Abdul Halim now. To Abdul Halim, it is a punishment to Min Tan Tu because previously he did that to Hendra Pago. But as for now, none of the service from Halim heading towards Zin Koko. Maybe because Zin Koko was the biggest rival of Halim before. Oh, still in the game. Hendra for that was fantastic. Take a look on this. Blocking by Shin and then good control by Hendra. Shin trying to use his left leg to do second blocking, but it is points for Indonesia. 10/6. Straight to the net. Unsuccessful service by Indonesian. Waiman Pio said the most successful sport in Myanmar is sepak takraw. I see. 10 for Indonesia, 7 Myanmar. Good one. Oh, the ball is out, says the referee. Let us watch this in slow motion. Hey, the ball is in. It is clear in. I don't think that's supposed to be the idea of the referee. Whether this referee is quite sleepy on this. Can you see that? Ish, dalam banyak sekaki tu. Oh, mana pulak lah hai. I don't think it is correct judgment by the line umpire. Can you see that? The ball in very much or maybe his gesture on this. He want to say it in, but the hand goes the other way. The ball's in. 8 for Myanmar, 10 for Indonesia. The referee we need a cup of coffee. First time to Zinkoko with left leg. Shin. Nice strike from Shin. I think that most of the spectators back there is Myanmar's fans. Nine 10, Min Tantu. Loose drop service from Min Tantu. Successful points of Myanmar. All now. Abdul Halim. Min Tantu, good first ball. Zinkoko. Hey, good strike from Shin. Surely it was a difficult time for Indonesia to follow because the setting coming from Zinkoko, avoiding blocking by Jelki. And it is a fantastic way to earn 11 points of Myanmar. Now Myanmar is ahead. 1 point ahead. Min Tantu, easy ball for Hendra. This one for Jelki. Jelki, nice finishing with a simple move. A good tap from Jelki as the equalizer of Indonesia towards Myanmar. Eleven all. Abdul Halim to Shin. Zinkoko for Shin. Whoa! What a reflex by Shin. Let us watch it again. First service from Halim to Shin, and then Zinkoko sending back again to Shin body. And Shin knows exactly what he needs to do to ensure that the 12th point of Myanmar is coming from him. 12-11 now. Min Tantu. Again, the ball's out, says the referee. Let us watch it closely. Is this the same decision? Oh, this time around it looks like a little bit another challenge coming from Myanmar. Same situation, but this time I think the ball is out. It looked like one. Yes. He just anything between 2 or 3 inches out. So shout out from Myanmar fan, where are you? Do share this live for everybody to watch together with us. Same goes to Indonesia, di mana kalian guys, 200 juta lebihnya rakyat Indonesia, di mana anda ketika ini. Adakah sepak takraw bukan satu sukan yang popular di Indonesia begitu? Balls in. Man, it happened twice. Balls in. Boleh? I think that the decision made by this linesman, which is this guy coming from Malaysia. Oh, it is a situation where the timeout given to Indonesia, but the umpires are now seeing each other and discussing on what happened just now. Brunei leading. Ui, Brunei leading lawan. Why? Brunei leading. This is interesting. Reje playing for Philippines, but Brunei is leading. Oh man. Stop him from refereeing. I don't think that type of decision I can made it for you guys. Malaysia double tadi menang. Love you streamer. Love you too guys. His vision is really problem? I don't think so. But maybe too much carbohydrate also will lead you difficulties to stand on this condition. 13 for Myanmar, 11 for Indonesia. Abdul Halim, good first service. Another effort by Hendra, but the reflection from the blocking, which is Hendra. Fine, it is difficult for him to put the second ball to Jelki. $14 for Myanmar. Is this the match point of Myanmar? Still in again. Jelki. Whoa! What a powerful strike by Jelki. Very poor first ball by Halim, but the second ball make it to the center. And Jelki Ladada providing Indonesia with 12 points. Now everybody is looking at Halim. Can Halim provide Indonesia for the 13 point? Oh, this guy on fire. Please don't call the fireman, because the match still at 13-14. Whoa. It is difficult for us to understand that how this Indonesian team still have the fighting spirit, even though the Myanmar already at 14, the match point. Mintang 2, easy ball for Hendra. I guess this one will be 14 even for both. Oh! Finally, the winning point of Myanmar coming from blocking of Shen. See, very high blocking by Shen, and Indonesia lost as the first set. 13-15. If this situation continues, I guess tonight semi-final will be more interesting for us to watch, because in double event, Myanmar will play against Malaysia, and if this continue to happen, both event, Malaysia versus Myanmar. In Malaysia we say Naya Pak Karim. No. Referees need 2 glasses maybe 2 glasses of water. Yeah. $4,800 spectators now together with us. We are streaming from 4 different channels. 2 of it coming from Facebook, 1 from YouTube. Shane is a young talent from Myanmar. How young is he? Anything under 20 years old? What do you think? Tan Lu Aung, you questioning my age? How old are you? Me, I'm still young. 14 years old. 260. Analisis sikit tekong mana padu? Reu Fizal. Bagi saya dari segi tekong lah, of course Thailand masih lagi di depan. Siriwat Saka dan Sitipong masih lagi terlalu dominan. Nak dibandingkan dengan tekong-tekong negara lain, I would say that everybody coming from different countries, the standard of the tekong is quite at par. Compared to Thailand, the strength of Sitipong Kamchan, there's no medicine for him, for us to overcome. Sitipong attack. Piat Ong, love you Caster, love you too guys. Where is Indonesia? Where Indonesia? Indonesia just near to Malaysia, of course. See? Kosong. First point for Indonesia coming from mistake done by Min Tan Tu. Another mistake by Min Tan Tu. 2 points for Indonesia. The script looks similar like the first set, which is the first set. Indonesia also have very much chance to win, leading from the early stage of first set, but slowly Myanmar managed to control the scenario where they won 15-13. Now the second set looks similar. Min Tan Tu. Hendra. Whoa! Half court strike from Jelki Ladada. Hendra setting the ball is quite far from Jelki, but I think the ball is out. And what about the umpire? What the umpire says? Is the ball out or in? I think the ball is out. 2-1. First score for Myanmar, coming from the mistake of Jelki. First ball by Min Tan Tu. Zinkoko. Oi! Mistake by Zinkoko, I would say. 3 for Indonesia, 1 for Myanmar. Another first ball by Halim. Jelki. Whoa, blocking by Shen, but still in the game. Oh, whoa. Can you see that once again? A very good rally that we can enjoy together. Jelki, but blocking by Shen. A good covering by Halim, but this time around, Jelki, new young player from Indonesia, looks promising. Abdul Halim. Oh, first ball from Shen, but this time, the ball is out, I guess. In! Now, the referee says the ball is in. Watch closely, guys. Okay, coming from this, and I think the ball is out, but the referee says in. I'm not so sure whether the referee is confused with the gesture of in and out. I don't know. Challenged by Indonesia, I guess. Is the challenge by, oh no, sorry, the challenge by Myanmar, because Myanmar at the other side. Meanwhile, can we have another replay? So coming from this service from Halim, first ball from Shane, and this strike coming from Shane. The ball is so fast, and I guess the ball is clearly out. And the score is, oh, it's for Indonesia. The ball's in. Min Tantu. A service from Min Tantu. None of Indonesian reach the ball. Coming from very good service of Min Tantu. 2 for Myanmar, 5 for Indonesia. Will Indonesia win this second set? Owie! Oh. Very interesting way for us to understand. It's not about the size of the tekong, but the dynamic of the body, the agility of his leg. Halim proved to us that he can play as good as any other country's player. And then this is chance for Zinkoko to Shane. Halim is already at the right place to do the tackling, but it's a real chance for Indonesia to win this second set. (6-3). Another strike by Halim. Twice. A service from Halim. None of Myanmar player can have that. Another challenge. I guess the number of challenge of Myanmar is done, because throughout the session it is only twice they can do challenge. It's not twice per set. It is the whole game twice. Yes. Okay, for those who want to watch Philippines play against Brunei, I am sorry. I am commit myself for this Myanmar against Indonesia, because the winner of this match will play against Malaysia tonight. Philippines win 17-16 guys, first set. Maknanya lambat lagi dia main daripada ni. Lagi fight lagi menang tu. 17-16 Philippines win over Brunei. Ayo, comeback is real guys. Okay, so the decision made by the challenge jury, and the result, because if I'm not mistaken, there's only the maximum number of challenge is 2 per game, not per set. Yeah. In. So now point is 7/3. Semangat Indonesia, ya benar. (3-7). This one for you to understand bahasa Melayu, but it is a very foreign way to pronounce bahasa Melayu. 3-7, but for us it's supposed to sound like this. 3-7. Now the point is 8 for Indonesia. Out service from Myanmar. I guess we will have this tie break. First ball left leg. Shane. Good finishing by Shane. Jelki tried to make the best in the to put the challenge over Shane, but the ball bounced out and providing Myanmar the 4th point of today for second set. Good first ball by Jelki. Hendra for Jelki. Oh, powerful strike by Jelki Ladada. You can understand this by judging the height of left leg Jelki Ladada. Myanmar changed his player number 4. This is a senior player, if I'm not mistaken, Aung Kyaw Tu. This is senior player of Myanmar. 9-4 Indonesia. Easy ball for Zing Koko. Oh, powerful strike by Shin. Petir menyambar, ayam masih belaga. Benar pak, benar. First service by Ong Kiao Tu. Nasi tambah makin hampir katanya. Easy ball but fault service. Fault service by Myanmar. It happens to be jump and lift condition. If we can watch it closely. Any replay for that? Cepat. Okay, let us see the left leg of... yes, it's fault. It is fault. Aung Kyaw Tu. Fault service. Kan dia angkat. Oh. It seems like Zin sending over the ball in difficult angle. So Jelki from Indonesia have no ample time to do the blocking properly. Hendra. Jelki half court. Good tackling by Myanmar. Shane. Another successful blocking by Hendra. Can you imagine it? With this situation where Jelki is struggling to send over the ball to Myanmar's court, and Hendra just make his mind to do the blocking. In Malaysia, we call it as a blocking bottle. Timeout from Indonesia, I guess. From Myanmar timeout. Myanmar timeout. 6 for Myanmar, 11 for Indonesia. Meanwhile, in another court, there is Brunei fight over Philippines. The score now is 2-all. Okay, so Right after the timeout now, it is Indonesia turn to do the service. Jelkin to Halim. Oh, right direction, but it's slightly out from the court. Mr. This night still commentating for Harimau Malaya game. Yes, my bro. It will be me. $11 for Indonesia, 7 Myanmar. First ball, Halim on left leg. It's not successful because the speed of the service coming from Aung Kyong Tu is just as good as any other tekong who are performing well in this World Cup. Halim, out ball from Indonesia. Second time from Indonesia, even though they are at the 4 points leading. Now it drawn into 3-9-11. It is a mistake by Myanmar tekong Aung Kyau Tu. Perfect direction, but the ball is not really reaching his kicking zone. Malaysia malam ni pukul 8. Inter double. Pukul 9.30 baru ni. Oh, powerful strike by Shin. Very good, very good. In Thailand we say very good. Top will say something like that, correct? Where's Top? Top's not around. If Top around, he will say very good. Very busy, 10 for Myanmar. Unsuccessful service by Myanmar. Why Mampio said number 4 Myanmar player name is Tartu? I'm not so sure because what stated in my information is Aung Kyau Tu. Shin. Oi. Wow. I think that one of the best strike from Shin for all of this 24 points of the second set. Myanmar, 13 Indonesia. Jelki. Whoa! Perfect strike by Jelki. Bro, you have get the lunch? Yeah, I did my lunch. Set point for Indonesia, 14-11. Halim, drop service. Zin Koko. Shin still. Myanmar says to Indonesia, not yet bro, not yet. They still want this match. Win by Myanmar, straight set. But now the decision made by Myanmar, pulling out the Aung Kyau Tu and bringing back Min Tan Tu. Young talent from Myanmar, I guess, Min Tan Tu, compared to Zin Koko. 12-14. Will this be the 13 point of Myanmar? Almost there. Chance ball for Myanmar. And then 13 points of Myanmar coming from this service. Even though Halim trying hard to put this thing, but second ball by Hendra doesn't translate it to the third ball of Jelki Ladada, which put the things now into 13/14. Match point for Indonesia for the second set, but will Indonesia manage to drag Myanmar to tiebreak, or things will be played for the second set until 17 points? I really hope that this match finish in 2 sets only, so I can get to do my work later before I come back here for semi-finals tonight. Shahir said, ISI said Myanmar must win. Okay. Ardian Bulo, ayo Jelki Ladada. Ardian, adakah kamu sahabat kepada Jelki? Bisa enggak beritahu kepada saya Jelki ini usianya berapa ya? Dari provinsi mana? 14. Indonesia 13 Myanmar. Will Halim FDA service, but no. Min Tantu. Shen, just a good heading by Hendra for Jelki. No, oh, the ball is out, I guess. Once again, mistake also by Zinkoko, but Hendra tried to send the ball over. I guess the ball is out. Hendra to play tactics on sending the ball over the head of Zinkoko. Challenged by Indonesia, saying that the ball is in, but it is from our view where we are standing here, the ball is out. We see this once again. Hendra, this is very good tactics used by Hendra. In Malay we call it as bola lemas. Pemain muda dari Gorontalo, Provinsi Sulawesi, Sulsel ya. Kelihatan Jelki ini agak muda gitu ya. Saya rasa usianya kurang dari 20 tahun gitu. And the decision by the jury, I think the ball is out supposedly, but if you want something spicier, of course, we hope that the ball is out. So it will be even 14-all. Yeah, and we're going to see this game until 17 points, the maximum point. The ball is out. Go! The ball is out, guys. So now we will be dragged into the net additional points until 17. Jelki dari Provinsi Gorontalo. Saya nggak pernah dengar nama ini Gorontalo. Wak Moseng ngomong apa sih? Wah, bukan dong. 14 sama, 14-all. First ball by Halim is very poor first ball, but in the amazing Coco. Man, that was easy, but mistake by Zinkoko. I can understand the frustration of their friends. The ball supposed to be easy for Zinkoko because he used to get difficult one rather than this, but mistake is a mistake. 15 for Indonesia, 14 for Myanmar. Halim with a fast service this one. So, but the ball is not sending over to Myanmar squad. I think the ball is quite far from his to reach. 15 all now. Of course, the fan of Myanmar hoping that this match will be end by 17 for Myanmar. So it just 2 sets. But for most of the fan, we really wanted to see 17 for Myanmar. But 8,000 plus viewers as for now. Jalke, whoa, blocking for Shane. Successful blocking by Shane. Another good move, brilliant jumping from Shane. Powerful spike by Jalke. Bounce back by blocking of Shane. And Indonesia now put into challenge, telling that Shane's leg is already over the net. But I am not so sure whether is the scenario that's happening. Once again, a very good first ball from Halim. Of course, Jalke managed to strike the ball as usual as he did, but credit goes to Shane. A very perfect timing, very good jumps of blocking, and Shane send the ball back again to Indonesian squad, and none of Indonesian players can take the ball. See these 2 guys behind there start to dance. It is Aung Kyaw Tu and Pai Nian Chan. It looks like they are very confident that the results is for Myanmar to have the point, and I think the challenge accepted. The leg of Shane is over the net. Oh gosh. Over. Point for Indonesia. In Malaysia, we have one celebrity. The name is Mat Over. Yes, he also playing sepak takraw, and his son was a player of Malaysia national squad. 16 for Indonesia, 15 for Myanmar. This one will be the winning point of Indonesia. Halim, Zinkoko, mistake. Oh! What an equalizer by Myanmar striker. Halim just made a very good slope service, but Zinkoko should take the credit by ensuring that the ball still in the game. 16 all, and now basically Myanmar on risk because Myanmar will do the serve, and it is really depending on whether or not Shin can toss the ball perfectly to Min Tan Tu, so he can do the best service he could. Still in the game. Jalke, fault by Jalke. The winning point of Myanmar. Indonesia being robbed by Myanmar. Coming from this service of Min Tan Tu and the fault move by Jalke led the winning of this second match is for Myanmar. 2-0 straight set, 15-13, 17-16. What a disappointing day of Indonesia. Both categories, they failed to win over Myanmar. And tonight, what we're going to watch together, Myanmar will play against Malaysia for both category. In semi-final, that will be Regu and double event. Congratulations, Myanmar. Try harder, Indonesia, next time. What to say? It is a clear win of Myanmar. See you next game. Brunei won over Philippines. You gotta be kidding me, guys. Okay, I will change my position to another game to provide you the information on Brunei against Philippines. Alright, thanks for watching Myanmar. Congratulations Myanmar. See you later tonight. Bye bye guys.